Yeah, I'm on.
Okay, okay, then let's open a new file. Okay, so everyone, let's revise the tags. We will have HTML tag, then we'll have head tag. Krish, you have to start typing. Sagarika, you have to start typing.
Say, can you wait? I just come back.
Okay. Okay, if we have open HTML, then we will close the HTML tag also. And within that, we will have head tag. Head, we will close the head tag. Title, okay, we'll close the title. Let's close the head tag. Sagarika, I cannot hear you. And then we'll have a body tag. Okay, we'll wait for Sagarika. And let's close the body tag also. Let's hit a few enter keys and then close the body tag also.
Sir, we have to write that doc type HTML.
Yes, if you want, you can write that also. Okay.
Sir,
Karan,
1 minute. Sir, 1 minute. I'll just write this.
okay. Karan, I pinged you that format.
What format?
Doc type HTML.
Yeah, okay.
So this is our basic structure of every HTML page. It will have a head, it will have a body, and then we will learn some new tags today.
Sir, so it should be in capitals, doc type.
It's okay, you can put it in capital also.
Okay.
Please let me know if once everyone have done this.
You're done.
Okay, thank you, Shreyans.
Sir, I had made a page. Can I show?
Yeah, please show me.
Using link tag.
Sure, please show me.
This was our school assignment.
Okay. So today would be a revision for you.
So if we click next, then it will go to
Oh,
next
very
page.
good.
Again next, then it will go to next page.
Very nice.
Next, and then.
Thank you. Okay, you have put that scrolling also. Very nice.
Yeah, marquee tag.
Very good. So you can read my mind what I'm going to teach today. Chris, done? You have written it? Okay. Sagarika?
Sir, I have to write, sir.
Okay. Can you copy paste from the previous file?
Okay, sir. 1 second.
Shreyas, in your school also they have started programming now?
Actually, sir, we did in seventh, so like right now we are not doing.
Okay, what all things you did in 7th?
In seventh, we did the basics of CSS and HTML,
Okay,
and in
so
eighth also there was a chapter, but we didn't do it in school, so I have started reading it.
okay, all right. So you still had an exam in 7th and 8th for HTML?
Only in seventh.
Only in 7th. Okay. But was that an optional subject or everyone has to do it?
No, it wasn't optional. We had to do it, but now it is not there. I wish it was.
Okay. Karan, how about in your school? It is optional or everyone has to do?
Everyone has to do.
Everyone has to do. Okay. But how many computers do you have in your school? Like on one computer, how many people sit?
One.
Okay, one is
We
to
have
one.
enough.
That's very good. Okay. So
There are
there is
two
no,
labs.
there is,
Two labs in our school.
there are 2 labs. Okay. So that's good. So like half an hour lab every
Yeah,
week.
half an hour. Yeah. One period every week.
Okay. So one period means half an hour of theory and half an hour of coding.
No, it's like we have a period of half an hour and we
Mhm.
have at least 3 periods of computer. So
Okay.
one period we do practical and 2 periods we do theory.
Okay. Okay. Now can we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are going to today learn about links. Okay. So there is let me first just draw something on screen of Karan. We have a anchor tag, we call it A. Okay. So just remember in HTML, if we have a starting tag, we will always have a close tag. Okay. So when you see a tag with alphabet A, that is an anchor tag. Okay, so all of you, can you please have like this, the way I have written A, then close it, and after that have a closing tag also. Everyone did that? Now this is a special tag. When you say A, in most of the cases, when you are going to close a tag like this, right? Like HTML tag, P tag, paragraph tag. So if I talk about paragraph tag, starts with P and it then ends with P, right? Anchor tag is special. It has also, so if I go now to anchor tag A, then it's going to have one more attribute which name href. Okay, href is the reference where do you want to go. Okay, so if you guys can type the way he has written ahref, and then I'll explain you also. Okay, so what we are trying to do.
Sir, should we leave space?
Uh, where?
Sir,
Uh-huh.
in between the
Yes,
A.
A and href. We call it as
Okay.
href. Okay.
Okay. So 1 second.
Okay.
Should we leave space in between the okay, yeah.
Okay. Now I'm pinging you all on the Zoom chat. If you can just copy paste it. Okay. And then I can explain you how this particular tag is being formed. Okay. Once you guys can copy paste that in a new line.
Sir,
Karan, yeah. is for you also, Karan. If you can just copy paste that.
What?
On the Zoom chat I have pinged.
तुम्हारे वाले तुम नहीं करो, तुम्हारा जो बना हुआ है ना।
Sir, done.
Done. Now everyone done? Krish
Yes, sir.
done? Okay. Karan, can you show me the code? Okay. Now let's try to understand what this is all about. It says the anchor tag says there is an attribute by name href. That attribute is pointing. Karan, I have to see the code. That attribute, you have a double quotes over here. Please remove that. That's why it is not working. That attribute is saying go to this particular website or link. Okay. And on the web page, it will show you this particular text. Now, if you can all save this as an HTML file and can show it to me. Shreyansh, can you share your screen, please?
Yes, sir. Just a second.
Okay.
Sir, 1 second. I'll just save this.
Okay. Just save with today's date.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes,
Very
sir,
good.
it is working.
Very good. Now let's go back to the code. We'll practice one more. Okay. So just copy this entire line again. Copy this entire line again. And paste it below that. Hit enter and paste it below that. This time we will go to a different website. Okay. So over here, can you type prepcoder.com instead of google.com? Just type prepcoder, P-R-E-P.
Sir, 1 second.
Prepcoder.com, and instead of Google search, just type my coding learning or I learn code. Okay. Just save it and see. Now your page should have 2 links.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Sir, what
just say
should we
this.
type?
So whatever you want it to be displayed on your web page, that is something that will come. Okay.
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 Sir,
Let's
shall I
see.
click on the link?
Yeah. Is it working or not?
Yes.
Sir,
Okay. All right.
should
Now
we
let's.
put .com?
Yes, we have to give the entire path over there. Okay. Okay. Now whenever you open a web page, whenever you see a link, can you now go back to the page again?
Yes, sir.
You will notice sometimes you will notice that the color of the link changes, right? If you have visited that link before, the color of the link will change, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Krish, can you share your screen now?
Yes, sir. Just a minute.
Okay.
Sir, after
why do we
creation,
say
I
href?
share.
It can only be ref, right? Why do we only say href?
That's the attribute that is being set by HTML, right? So which is being rendered correctly by all the browsers. So those are the standards as such.
Sir,
Uh-huh.
can I share next?
Yeah, first let me just have a look at it, what he has done.
So I've done what I have to write. My coding.
No, so any other web, suppose you want to go to youtube.com, okay? So in the href instead of google.com, can you type youtube.com? Not over there, Krish. In the href,
Oh,
in the href, just type, no, it's okay. Wait, we'll do one by one. First, href is where do you want to go after you click the link, correct? I want to go to youtube.com. So you will have www.youtube.com.
so wait. First I write here.
Okay. Over there, just type YouTube. Just remove this .com.
Okay, sir.
And over here, write YouTube. No. We are doing.
Sir, actually this laptop.
How many you have?
Sir, I have two.
2 laptops. Okay. Okay. Now save your page. Okay. Now click on the YouTube. So wherever you want to go, you specify in the href. Okay, and the anchor link, what you have written over there, will be displayed on your web page.
Okay, sir.
With me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir,
Now,
can I share?
okay, Sagarika, please go ahead.
So 1 second, I have to save. Sir, it doesn't come.
You have to open the file in browser, right? You have to go to that folder, right click, open with, not over here. Where have you saved this particular file? To that folder you have to go.
Sir, I've done it in hypertext.
No, the
Markup
file is
language
saved.
file.
This file is saved in some folder, correct?
Yeah.
So that folder name is over here, right? In my documents. You have to go to this particular folder by name documents. So open your folder.
Sir, I didn't get you.
Okay. At the bottom you have these folders, right? Where you save your file. On the bottom, on the
Sir,
taskbar.
you can this thing, you can use my remote control. Yeah.
So you always save it in a folder, right?
Yeah.
So let's open that folder. On the bottom you have got a folder, correct?
Yeah.
So in that folder you have saved a file, correct?
Yes, sir.
You with me? Now that file, you will right click on that
So
file.
1 second.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there are many. Yeah, there are many. So I'll just close some. Oh.
Now
Then
say open with.
it came.
It's taking some time to load. Okay, very good. Now there are 2 links, but I want to see your program also. Now show me your HTML program that you have written. Now this program, this should be youtube.com, right? Because we want to go to YouTube instead of google.com.
Okay.
We have to edit it.
Okay. So done.
Okay. Okay.
I'll save it.
Mm-hmm.
I'll go to Google. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's try to do some changes to the code that we have written. Now let's go back to the code again.
Okay.
Now, whenever you click on the link, right, Google search or YouTube, it always open in a new window, correct?
Yes, sir.
What if you want it to open in the same window? To do that, you have to specify a target, okay? So I'm going to,
Okay.
so after you return the href thing, right? After you've written the href,
Yeah.
this is the double quotes. Put your cursor over here and hit the space bar.
Okay.
And then write target, T-A-R-G-E-T,
In capital or?
small. And I'm going to ping you, okay, everyone.
Okay. So 1 minute. So I can't see anything in the
Yes, I have not done that. I just want to make sure like everyone have reached there.
Yes.
Okay. So we are going to say my target to open that link. Just for one of those, just put it. Don't put it for both the links.
So
just
where?
for one link. After that particular link, right?
Target.
Where you have written target, just replace it with the line which I have pinged you.
Okay.
Okay, and then save it.
Yes, sir. 1 second.
Krish working.
It is the same.
Okay.
Sir, but the Google search has come down.
You have to hit backspace, right? You put your cursor over here and then click backspace.
So where? Okay.
Over here, you have to put your cursor.
Yeah.
Okay, now save it and show me how it looks like.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Looks the same.
Now click on that and show me. Click on Google search and then also click on the YouTube. First, let's do one by one. I want to make sure you guys are able to see the differences. Okay.
Okay.
So there are two links. In one of the links we have got target. In other link we do not have a
What
target.
was the difference? But
Yes, I'll tell you, right? So one by one, right?
It's still loading.
Okay. All right. Now, okay. And do it for the other one.
Okay. It's taking another time to load.
Okay.
Now YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
Let it fully load.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are done with that. Now for the second one, I'm going to ping you a new target. Please put that for the second one, okay?
Okay. So you send target blank.
Yes. For the
Okay.
second link, let's go and put that.
There is self also, right? In target.
Yes, we can do that also.
And sir, where should we put it?
For the second, like for the YouTube one, you have
Okay.
got two links on your document, right?
Yeah.
And then see the difference.
Sir, I have 3. What should I do?
You have 3. Okay.
I
Then
have
you,
made
yeah,
Reporter, YouTube, and Google.
then use target_tab as top also you can use. Okay.
Sir, done.
Okay. But then you have to see, Sagarika, if you save it, what is the behavior on the web page? Save it, click on that, and then see it.
Yes, sir. 1 second. File, save. Now just refresh. Sir, it's still
Yes.
the same.
No, you have to click on that. You haven't clicked on that, right?
On
So
YouTube.
Yes,
Sir.
let's click on that.
Sir, it's showing target blank YouTube.
Okay, so now it open in a new window. Earlier it was opening in the same window.
Yeah.
So there is a difference. Akrish, I'll come to you. Give me 1 second. I hope you guys are seeing the difference. Okay, so you have to specify the target. So if you
Yeah.
want to,
Yeah.
so most of the time when you guys are going to create a web page, sometimes do you want it to be open in the same window or you want it to be open in a new window? That is all determined by target. Okay, Krish,
Okay.
please share your screen.
Can I share next?
Let me come back to you. Yeah, sure.
Sir, can you see?
Yes, I can see. Okay.
Sir, when I
No,
done
so
this.
it's a wrong way. Like we have to change the code. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
let's go back to your code.
Okay, sir. Just
So href, then target. Okay. Just put a space over there.
so here.
Now after you have double quotes, right? Yeah, yeah. After double quotes, put a space. Put a space. Okay, and do the same thing. And this thing won't be. I'm again going to explain you how it should look like. You have an A anchor tag, then you have href, which location you want to go.
Yes, sir.
You have double quotes on that location. Then you specify target. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and then you are going to close that tag. So this closing will not come over here, right?
Yes, sir.
So let's remove that closing. It will come over here.
Sir,
Over
after
here.
these dots. Yeah.
Okay, let's now save it and show me. Okay, click on YouTube first and show me first YouTube is opening in a new tab or the same window. Okay, let's go back and check your code again.
Okay, sir.
Hey, href equal to Google target, Google search. Href.
Sir, everything is right, but it is not happening. I don't know.
Karan, Karan, can you copy paste your entire code in the chat window?
Okay.
It's easy.
Chris, just copy paste the entire code, what he has done.
Sir, I guess in target parent, the quotation marks aren't ending.
Yes, that I know. Over here you're talking about, right? So I
Yes,
just want to
sir.
make sure that he has that code. Otherwise, he has to write everything from the start.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So,
Sir, I'm not able to. Sir, just stop the sharing.
okay, wait. Then just put.
Yeah, sir, I got. Sir, I got it.
Okay. Everyone got it now? Like whenever, I'm again repeating, whenever on a web page you see a link, you should be able to identify how the, hello?
Sir, I have to erase the old coding of my.
Yes, yes. Or you just do one simple change if you want to do it over there. Okay. You have to put a double quotes the way Shreyans told you. You have to put a double quotes for the first target it was missing. Okay. So anytime on a web page you see an hyperlink, you should know how a person has coded for it. He has used an anchor tag. And when you use anchor tag, you can specify the target. Do you want it to be open on the same window or it has to be open in a different window? That is being done using a target attribute. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. Now, Shreyans, please
Oh,
share.
see what happened.
Okay, please share, please. Okay. So this is just you have to hit enter, right? Because his code, he is using a different one. You just have to hit enter over here, hit enter. After everything, it will come. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay. After every
Sir, we
tag,
don't have to do the same thing, right?
not you.
After.
Okay. Krish, your code will work. Okay. Right.
Yes, sir.
So now let me go back to Shreyans.
Can I
Yes,
share?
sir.
I'll come to you, Karan, sometime. Okay, now imagine.
And next, can I share?
First, let me tell you like what you have to do. Because if I come to you, then you won't type
Okay.
something. That's why I'm not coming to you guys. Okay, you have to type in HTML. Imagine you have a web page. That web page has lot of content. Okay, it's a long page. So now we will create a long page first. Okay, so what you should do, Shreyans,
Yes, sir.
put an enter over here. Put an enter over here. And put a paragraph tag, P tag. Start a P tag and then say start of section 1. Just type start of section 1.
Sir, 1 second. Even we
Okay.
have to do, right?
Yes.
Okay, so 1 second.
And
Yes,
then,
sir. Shall I close the tab?
yeah, please close the tag, paragraph tag, P.
So what
sir.
should we write?
Start of section 1.
Okay.
Yeah, it came.
Okay. Then just copy this line, Shreyans, and paste
Yes,
it below that. Copy this and paste it below that.
Yes, sir.
And now say start of section 2.
Okay, sir.
And between these two lines, right? Just hit enter. Just hit enter 2 or 3 times.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And put a break tag, BR.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So what we are doing, we are trying to create a very long page. Okay. To create a very long page, we have to put like breaks. So this is line breaks will come. Okay. Just do one thing, just line break, like just copy and paste it at least 20 times.
Okay, sir.
and then you have to show me your web page. Okay. You just keep on doing it.
So how many times should we write?
At least 20-25
BR?
times. Yeah. So BR is at least 20-25 times. Just do that.
Okay. So I write
Or-
20 times.
Okay. Or Shreya, just copy this thing and then paste it at one go. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now save it and show me your code. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
now you have a long page, right? You have to use a scroll bar. This is known as vertical scrolling. Okay.
Okay,
I
sir.
just want to make sure everyone now has a web page which has got lot
Yes,
of.
I did.
You did very good, Karan. Krish, you have done this.
No, sir.
Okay. Shreyans, if you can show your code to others.
Yes, sir.
He can just paste that all BRs in the chat.
Yes.
Shall I? I have to copy and paste in the chat, right?
Not yet. Let people type. If they don't type, they will not do coding. Okay. Let
Okay,
them
sir.
type.
So I finished 20 times.
Okay, then save
I
your
did
page.
25.
25.
Okay.
Is your page having a vertical scroll bar or not?
Yes.
Everyone has it? Okay, now let me go. Krish, you are done?
No, sir.
Okay, show me your screen, Krish, where you are stuck. Okay, all right. Okay, you are stuck at the earlier one itself now, right? Okay.
Sir, should we do this?
No.
Okay.
Krish, can you delete that question mark and close it? Yeah. Just say P. Just close that paragraph tag. Okay. And over here, type
Sir,
inside
next, can you
this
just
type.
check on my...
Sure, I'll check on you, Sagarika. This is section 1. Just type this is section 1. Okay. And then, yeah, and over here type section 2.
You are written.
And then type BR over here many times. In between, just type BR many times, break tag.
Oh,
Now copy those 3-4 times and then do it.
So why is there use?
Okay, let's copy it below that. Krish, can you hear me? Okay, now just save your web page and see whether it shows us vertical scroll bar or not.
Sir, wait.
Sir,
Yes, Sagarika.
mine is working. My code is working in the other browser.
Why
Okay.
it's working?
It's coming, right? Now let me go to Karan's screen. Okay, Karan. Okay. And show me your page also, Karan. Okay, very good. Now what we will do, sometimes you have a very long web page. You want to directly jump to a particular section on a web page. Karan, can you go back to your page? We will have a link over here which will say jump to section 2. Okay, and when you click on that jump to section 2, it will directly take you to the section 2 thing. With me, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so there are two types of linking. First linking that we did was to open an external site where you are opening YouTube and Google. Now within the web page, if you want to go somewhere else, so that's the second type of link that we are doing it. Okay. All right. Let's go back to your code.
Sir,
Yes, Sagarika.
sir, can you just check on mine?
Okay.
Can you just
Okay.
check on
Please share your
my
screen.
code?
Okay.
And sir, in Google, it looks like this.
No, but you need to add more break command. Still, there is no vertical scroll bar. I want a vertical scroll bar. Okay. Go back and add more BR tags. So imagine it's a very long page. Okay.
Sir, yeah, what you are telling. So can I share?
Yes. Okay. All right. Please share. Okay, I'm still seeing Sagarika's screen.
Can you stop?
Sagarika, you there? Karan, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Please share. Okay, now, so again, I'm going to repeat, Karan, if you go back to the web page, we will have a text over here which will say click here to jump to section 2. When you click over there, it will directly take you to the section 2. Okay, so we are going to do a linking, and this kind of linking is known as bookmark. Okay, so now let's go back to your code, Karan. Scroll to the very top where you have written the section. Okay, yeah, over here put a href equal to, okay, do you, what do you call this sign as?
Hashtag.
Hashtag. Okay, put that hashtag, double quote, hashtag, and put section 2. No, just put section 2. Okay, then put double quotes. Then close it. Then say jump to section 2. And close the anchor tag. And let's wait for everyone to do this. So it will not jump like this. We have to code for that. Everyone has written this line. We are telling our HTML code that there is somewhere on this web page, there is a section 2, and there you need to go and jump. Everyone with me?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
How about you, Krish?
Yes, sir, I'm doing.
Okay. Okay, now just scroll down to current to where we had the start of section 2. Scroll down where we have start of the section 2. And over here, have an h2 tag, h2 space id. Within that, within h2 tag, id equal whatever name you have given next to that hashtag, right? Section 2 you have given, correct? Just copy paste that name. Section 2, close it, and say start of section 2. You can type down, okay? And then close the tag also. Close the h2 tag. Now save your, and then let's go back and check. Okay. So what we are doing, so for everyone it is working or not? First I want to make sure.
Hriday, this is Sandeep here.
Hi Sandeep.
Sagarika just lost her Zoom for a minute. She'll just be back. I think she missed out this section.
Okay, once she's back, I'll help her also.
Yeah, she'll be just in a bit. She'll be back.
Sure. Okay. So again, we have a very long web page. From one section of long web page to another section. We want to jump. To do that, we make use of anchors. Okay, and since we are jumping within web page, it is known as a bookmark anchor. And how you do that? Can you go back to the code again? And scroll to the very top.
Sir,
Yes, Sagarika.
can you just show me what I missed?
Yes, so you just missed 2 lines, okay?
Okay.
So you have to scroll
What
up.
are they?
Yeah. Karan, you have to scroll to the very top where you have written the code. So when your program is being run, this hash sign will indicate to HTML code in the entire code, there is somewhere you need to go and find this section 2. Wherever you
Okay.
find that section 2, I want to go there.
Okay. So
Okay,
one
so
minute, I'll copy the 2 lines.
Shreyans, you got me?
Yes, sir. I'm just writing the last one
Okay.
of H1.
Okay, Shreyans, if you can share your screen, please.
Yes, sir. So I haven't noted the last line.
Okay, I'll help
I
you.
don't know what is it.
Okay, I'll help you.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
So,
so
so I just have to see the code on top.
I'll come to you one by one. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Now, what you need to do over here, we have ID equal to ID equal.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have to specify whatever was next to that hashtag, right? Whatever text you had, that you have to put it in the double quotes.
Okay, sir.
So just copy paste that over there.
Sir, is it right?
Yes. And put it in double quotes. Yes. And
Okay,
then
sir.
put an angle bracket, close that. Then put over here a text. Okay, you can probably, what you can do, just let this be over here, just and put over here H2. Okay.
Can
Okay,
you
sir.
help me?
Yes, Krish, I will come.
Around
to
the
you.
last I'm stuck. That please start the section.
Let me first make sure it is working for him. I'll come one by one.
Sir, is it right?
Yes. Now let's save your code and see.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yes, Sagarika.
I need to look at the code.
Okay, jump to section 2.
Yes, sir.
It
It
worked,
is
right?
working.
Okay, so let's try to understand what you have done again, Shreyans. Okay, this is very important concept. We have something called as bookmark anchor. So when your HTML code is reading it, it is trying to find out next to that hashtag, what is the text you have used. Wherever you have used that text against in the ID, it will directly take you to that particular location. Okay.
Sir, can I see
Okay,
the
sir.
code?
Wait, Sagarika, I'll come one by one. Okay, Krish, please share. Okay. H2 ID, start of section 2. And scroll up to the very top where the code was. href. Okay, you have to put a hashtag over here because this is the hash sign, right? This is an bookmark tag. Okay, now save your code and then see it works or not. Okay, click on that, jump to section 2. Still not going. Okay, now show me your code again. href equals jump to section. Okay, now scroll down.
I think some problem in the
ID equals section 2.
you wrote S in small.
Okay, let's
Yeah.
make that change. So just copy paste from there whatever you've written. No, just copy this. It is going to find anything after the hashtag sign. Krish, can you hear me? Okay. Krish, is it working for you? This you need to remove word, right? This word you have to remove.
Have to tell me.
What is that, Krish? No, don't remove everything.
Sir,
Yes, Sagarika.
can I share?
Yeah, I'll come to you. I first want to make sure that it is working for
Sir,
Krish.
wait.
Your voice is breaking, Krish.
Okay.
Sir, it's clear now.
Yes, with your code, let's go back and let's look at your code, right?
Sir, see.
Yes. Now scroll to the very top again. Scroll to the very top again. Ahref. I'm saying just copy this section 2 part. Just copy this section 2 part.
Oh,
Copy this. Now scroll down.
Sir, but why do you put that hashtag in that?
That is how it comes to know, right? It's a bookmark tag. ID and paste it over here. Remove this entire thing. Okay. And then wait. ID is equal. Remove this anchor
sir, I have
tag.
to remove this entire.
Wait. Remove this anchor tag. Yeah. It has to be, and this P tag, right? So you guys have to do homework. If you don't do, you'll forget. P start, P end. Within this paragraph tag, you will say section 2. Correct? So P, then delete this thing. Delete this also. Yeah. Delete that double quote also. Then close the P tag. Close the P tag. And save it and show me again. Refresh your page. Okay. Right. Now let me go to Sagarika. Yeah, Sagarika.
Yes, sir. 1 second. Yeah, I'm sharing. Sir, I don't know what to do after this.
ID equal to section 2. Then put an angle bracket.
Sir? Okay.
Not this angle bracket. You have to close that H2, right? You open the H2, close that H2.
Okay.
Put bracket like this. Okay. Then over here, after this P, close the H2 tag.
Sir, after this P.
Yes.
Okay.
So very basic thing, you're starting a tag, you have to close the tag also, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now save this and show me.
Okay. So jump to section 2.
So, but it's not showing as a hyperlink. That means there's something wrong with your code. Now let's go back to your code. Ahref /a. You have saved it, right? Save it again.
Sir,
Yes, Shreyans, go ahead, please.
I think the HERF which
Okay.
Sagarika has written, it will be SREF.
Thank you, Shreyans.
Nice.
Over here, spelling.
Oh.
Href it is, Href.
Okay. Save. Reload. Yeah,
Okay, click on that.
I clicked on it.
Yeah, because you don't have many break lines, right? You will not see the difference. So that's why I asked you to have many break lines in between so that you
So
have
I
vertical.
put 25.
Make it more, right? So you have got a bigger monitor. Okay.
Okay.
Copy these lines, copy 4-5 lines and just put it after that, right? Okay, now once you're done, now let me go back to Shreyans. Okay, Shreyans, please share.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we will see how we can insert an image on our web page. Okay. Shreyan's waiting for you to share.
Okay.
Scroll down.
Will section 2 thing, right?
Yes, we are going to do the image part now. Shreyan's,
Start of section 2, right?
please come again.
We'll do after start of section 2, right?
No, we'll do it above itself after start of section 1. Let's scroll up. So now we should know. So there is a new tag that we will learn now, which is the image tag. Can you scroll to the top, Shreyans, where we have section 1?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so again, image, I'm just going to type. You have a tag by name img, have a tag img, and then close the img tag. Okay. Let's close it. So over here, you can have an img tag. Just remove one of these break lines, remove one of the break lines and have an img tag.
Yes, sir.
Okay, hit enter and then close the img tag also.
Sir, is it
Okay, sir.
ING or IMG?
M for Madhya Pradesh.
Okay.
Okay. Right. Now we have to show an image over here. Now imagine that your image is somewhere outside on the World Wide Web. Shreyans, can you open Google? Let's open Google.
So we have to copy.
Yes, sir.
I am doesn't has closing tag, right?
I'll tell you, Karan.
Sir?
I'll tell you, Karan. Shreyans, just
Sir, can
search
you-
for India flag. Let's search for India flag. And go to
Yes, sir.
images. Go to just right click on any one of this image Just right click on any one of the image which is being displayed.
Okay, sir.
Just right click and say copy image
save
address.
image.
No, copy image address. Let's do copy image address.
Okay, sir.
Everyone has done this?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay. Now what we need to make sure, this particular image, we want to show it on our web page. So we'll go back to the image tag that we had.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Put a just put a cursor next to this IMG. Put your cursor next to IMG and hit space. Okay.
We have to put SRC also, right?
Yes. So put a cursor over here within that bracket and hit
Okay, sir.
space. Hit space
Yes,
and
sir.
type SRC.
So should I close and
Yes,
open?
sir.
SRC equal to and put double quotes like this. Okay. And within this double quotes, just copy paste the page that URL that you have copied from there. Okay. Okay. Very
Okay,
good.
sir.
And then save it and then show me on your web page.
Just a second, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it coming? Very good. Okay. So now let's try to understand. Krish, it is coming for you. Sagarika, it came for you.
1 second, sir. I'll try it.
Karan.
Sir, it didn't come for me.
Okay, I'll come one by one. For whom it did not come?
Sir, for me.
Yeah, it works. It works.
Okay. Krish, for you.
Sir, it's not working.
Not working. Okay, Krish, please share. Show me the code. Okay. Go full screen and show me the code. Okay, scroll to your left.
Sir, I got it.
Okay, thank you, Sagarika. Or you can take your mouse cursor and then just drag it to the left hand side.
Sir, I have just done that. Copy the address.
Okay.
Mummy. Wait a minute.
So you have this double quotes 2 times. So let's have only 1 time. Okay.
Sir, can I show mine?
Yes, Sagarika, please show. Very nice. Okay, you did it on your own?
My father helped me.
Okay, all right. So now let's recap the things that we have learned today. There are 2 kinds of links that we have. The first one is href, where if you want to link it to an external, then you will use href, and then you are going to link to the external site. If you want to link it to within the web page, you will make use of the bookmark. Bookmark is your hash sign.
Yes, sir.
And if you want to get an image to be displayed on your web page, you will make use of image tag. When you make use of image tag, you have to also tell where is the source of that image. Okay.
Okay.
So we went onto the internet and we found a link, and then we pasted it within the double quotes and it displayed it.
Yes, sir.
All right. So tomorrow we will learn new tags as such, but just practice. If you don't practice, you'll all forget about it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. And I'll talk to you tomorrow, everyone. Okay. Bye, everyone.
Okay,
Bye,
sir.
Krish.
Bye,
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
Shreyans.
Happy Independence Day, sir.
You too. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, Sagarika. Bye, Karan.